Listen endlessly to your injury. You wanna talk about your sores, you wanna talk about suffering. Maybe sympathy is all you're really hungry for, cause you just criticize, you finger point and you say that they beat you down. You may be victimized, you're still the one who won't just get up off the ground.
Used to be as innocent as you.
My excuses ran out of things to complain about.
Fear will always find a way to show. Right through, you want to be more hurt than me. You want to say you're more the victim. You wanna complain and pass the blame. You want to say you're more the victim.
You wanna talk constantly about misery and how you've been done so wrong. You wanna bend your honesty and exaggerate the distress that you've undergone. There's never a compromise. No one can say that they've ever been hurt before. They may be victimized, but you'll always say that you're a victim so much more.
Used to be as innocent as you.
My excuses ran out of things to complain about.
Fear will always find a way to show. Right through, you want to be more hurt than me. You want to say you're more the victim. You wanna complain and pass the blame. You want to say you're more the victim. You wanna be just another someone, somebody angry, somebody broken. You wanna be that, then be it all alone. You want to be more hurt than me. You want to say you're more the victim. You wanna complain and pass the blame. You want to say you're more the victim. You want to be more hurt than me. You want to say you're more the victim. You wanna complain and pass the blame. Pass the blame. Pass the blame. There's no one said it's never one goal. There's no one didn't want
Now, sometimes these thoughts in my head speak so loud. Every little thing that I think about just builds on top of the pain and doubt. Even though I wanna just let it out, I try to act like I don't mind it. Try to keep my mouth so quiet, but sitting there in my silence just seems to amplify it. When I thought that keeping this inside would make it better, I never thought that I would end up ruining it forever. But every time I think I got everything put back together, I end up making more regrets, making more regrets.
Falling from grace, I watch it all come apart. Knowing I could have changed it all from the start. Fighting myself, I always lose. Fighting myself, I always lose.
I didn't want you to think I'm worn out so easily. I wish I'd held it in so you never knew it built up inside of me. Now I don't know how it overflowed, spilled out unwillingly. But now everything that I learned to hate came out for you to see. I don't want you to promise you can change everything and make it better, cause you can bet I'm gonna end up ruining it forever. And every time you think you got everything put back together, I end up making more regrets, making more regrets.
Falling from grace, I watch it all come apart. Knowing I could have changed it all from the start. Fighting myself, I always lose. Fighting myself, I always lose. Falling from grace, I watch it all come apart. Knowing I could have changed it all from the start. Fighting myself, I always lose. Fighting myself, I always lose.
I'm stuck in the middle of a situation and I made up here. You'd be surprised at how scared of the clarity you can be till you see it so clear. But it's like I can't really look at it rationally, wishing that you could look backward and see these things happen, but actually the things that happen have happened to me. So don't try to tell me it's all okay. I'm reaching for this from too far away. Yesterday's problems here again today, and it's safe to say.
It's safe to say I've always felt this way. Holding back my words again, for fear that running thought it. Now it's safe to say.
At this point, you've been wrong and it's all been a mess. I placed all the signals out there and don't know why that you couldn't guess. And now you're stuck in the middle of a situation that you made so real. And you gotta just play with the cards that you got till it's your turn to deal. But it's like I can't really look at it rationally, wishing that you could look backward and see everything you ever asked me to be is there in the smallest fraction of me. So don't try to tell me it's all okay. You're reaching for this from too far away. Yesterday's problems here again today, and it's safe to say.
It's safe to say I've always felt this way. Holding back my words again, for fear that running thought it. But now it's safe to say no more regrets. No boundaries left. No asking out. No stopping now. It's safe to say I've always felt this way. Holding back my words again, for fear that running thought it. But now it's safe to say this fear is just a plague. I'm taking back my heart again, no longer undivided. Now it's safe to say. It's the truth that in love and war, worlds collide and hearts get broken. I wanna live like I know I'm dying. Take up my cross, not be afraid. Is it true what they say? The words are weapons, and if it is, then everybody best stop stepping. 'Cause I got 10 in my pocket that'll bend your lock, and I'm tired of all of these walkers saying, "Come with me." Wait, it's just about to break. It's more than I can take. Everything's about to change. I feel it in my veins. It's not going away. Everything's about to change. Creeps in like a thief in the night without